Paper mache is an interesting activity that you all will enjoy. Let us learn to make the paper mache clay. First of all, take a bowl and take warm water in it. Ask an elder to heat some water for you. And now in this warm water, we will mix glue. About 1/3 or maybe half of the water that you take, you mix the glue. Now in this glue water mixture, we have to soak in paper. You take newspaper and avoid using glossy paper. Tear out strips from the newspaper and soak them in this water. Do not put in very large clumps of paper, otherwise you won't get a smooth clay. And now you let the newspaper soak in this glue water mixture overnight. Keep it aside and let it soak. It's been a day and the newspaper has completely soaked in water and become soft. Now you take a separate container and take out the pulp, drain the excess water, and you take it in the other container. Now you start churning it. You churn the paper and keep draining out the excess water. Add glue to this mixture to make it smooth. This way. Smoothen out all the clumps. And keep on grinding till you will get a smooth paste or clay. See, you have the texture of a clay now. Again, drain off the excess water. So we have a nice and smooth paper mache clay, and now we have to mold it into different shapes. So what is the easiest one? A ball. You pick up a lump and shape it into a ball. And keep it for drying. We'll color it after it dries. Then we can make the 2D shapes. For example, we can make a star. Again, you take a lump and you flatten it on a surface. You pinch out the sides to give it the shape of a star. Shape it with your fingers. And you have a starfish. Go on making whichever objects you want with this clay. Try to make sure that whichever object you create, you make it with a single lump, because this clay is slightly rough and it will be difficult to join two pieces. But if you have to join two pieces, like in this chick, we have the head and the body, so you can paste them together using glue. Okay. We have created some objects here. We have a small little hut, a chick, a dice, a ball, then we have a starfish, then a snake, and a cute little bird. You leave these all objects to dry. It will take some time to dry, a day or two, so you have to be patient and you just leave them. Our paper mache objects have dried now. They have become hard and solid. We will paint them now. But first of all, we know that this is a murky grey color. So to get rid of this color, we will paint the objects white. In a container, you mix some white paint, and what we are doing is we will add some white glue to this paint. This will make our objects shiny and sturdy. So we coat our objects with this white glue and white paint mixture. And you let this white coat dry. Once the white coat dries, we'll take our objects and we will paint them with thick poster colors. Now we will get bright colors because we coated it white first. Use thick poster colors. And paint your objects. We have painted all our objects brightly. We have also painted the dais. Did you know that the opposite sides of a dais add up to 7? So 6 and 1, 5 and 2, and 3 and 4. And if your dice is symmetrical enough, you can use it to play your indoor games. Paper mache is a very interesting technique, but you have to use your creativity. For example, we have made this hut and we have put broom thatch on it. We have also made paper mache fruits. See, all the fruits have been made using paper mache. You can use it to decorate. Have fun with this technique.